How to use to MetaMask's sells feature to cash out your crypto fiat. Let's go started. This is MetaMask profit features. This is allows to easily cash out your crypto to fiat currency. Combined with the buy features, it enables you to have self-sufficient Web3 experience. With these features, immediately and fast fiat conversion directly to your destinations to choose where available, like your bank account to PayPal. This is Binance. This is a bullet provider. This is routed than this being limited to a single provider's MetaMask aggregate and arrogant booted providers. Ensure they meet our high standard to present you with the standard different real-time options to convert your ETS and Ethereum maintain to the fiat currency. The global audience. The sell features is currently available in the US, UK, and part of Europe, with a plan to is explained to the more region to carrier to our worldwide communication ensures world of users to enter and exist. Keep to fitly is important, and this is hope these options make Web3 attainable to the more people. We are initially supporting Ethereum Mainnet with a plan to explain to nations. Gas token is a weekly to network and fiat currency USD, Euro, and GT, and is streamlined with the providers. The providers using the use dollar by sell features. The MetaMask profit allow you to go full circle to the crypto and the fiat journey with many of the same providers. The provider that's the main it only needs to sign up and link your bank account once with the specific providers. So we hope you enjoy and share these features. Thank you so much.